Good morning, students. I hope all of you are following what is being taught in your science classes. During this pandemic, the online classes are the only means to continue the teaching learning process with you all. As a teacher, I am aware of the limitations of online classes, but I am trying my best to make classes interesting for you all. In a classroom, there is a discussion and exchange of ideas, but that is not always possible through online class. If any one of you feel that you are having difficulty in understanding any of the topics being taught, you can reach out to me through Ecovision app or my WhatsApp number. You can also email me at my email address that I have mentioned in the Ecovision app. As much as I am concerned about your academics, I am also equally concerned about your health and well-being. I know it is very difficult for young children like you to stay indoors all the time. But we don't have any other choice during this pandemic. You will have to stay indoors for your safety. I would suggest you to use your time at home creatively. Do activities that interest you like painting, reading your favorite stories, comic books. You can try to learn 5 new words every day that will help you enhance your vocabulary. You can create beautiful items from spare plastic bottles, wasted papers, old clothes, and many other materials that is not of any use anymore. Create best out of your waste. Students, so far we have finished first 2 units from our book My Living Word. Today we are going to start a new unit, that is unit 3, leaf. Having learned about different types of plants, let's now know more about a very important part of the plant, the leaf. In this chapter, we will learn about what is leaf, different parts of leaf, and various uses of leaves. The green colored parts attached to the branches are seen in all the plant. Each of these green part is known as a leaf of the plant. The leaf is very important and essential part of the plant. Plant needs leaves to breathe and make food. Leaves grow on stems of plants. Different plants have different types of leaves. Leaves differ in size, shape, smell, and color. Some are big and some are small. Some leaves may be oval, round, pointed, etc. There are many leaves that are useful to us in different ways. Now look at this picture of leaf and its various parts. Leaf blade. All leaves have a flat surface called as leaf blade. The leaf blade is mostly smooth. Vein. Each leaf has some lines on its blade. These lines are called as veins. Each leaf has one primary vein and many secondary veins. Petiole. The small leaf stem which is connected with the plant stem is called as petiole. Stipule. At the base of the petiole, in many plants, there exists a pair of outgrowth which is called stipule. Axil. The upper angle between a leaf, a stalk or branch and the stem or trunk from which it is growing is called axil. Tip. The pointed end part of the leaf is called tip. Students, do you know what the function of a leaf is? The leaf plays a key role in making food for the plant. The green substance present in leaves is called chlorophyll. It helps the plant prepares its food with the help of sunlight. Leaves of different plants differ in their shape, size and texture. This can be observed by looking at the pictures of the leaves of different plants. Look at the various images of different types of leaves in this picture. Different plants have leaves of different colors like red, orange, purple and yellow. Some plants like mushrooms and yeast do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot make their own food and they are not green in color. Your homework for today is to draw a leaf and label the different parts of the leaf. Send your homework to me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.